Hello, and welcome back to the military matrix. In a stunning escalation that caught the Kremlin completely off guard, Ukraine has launched what analysts are calling the largest drone penetration of Russian territory since the start of the full-scale invasion. A massive wave of 193 Ukrainian drones surged across Russia's western air defense belt, overwhelming radars, saturating jamming systems, and forcing Moscow into a state of emergency that the Kremlin desperately tried to downplay. But tonight, new satellite data, leaked communications, and on-the-ground reports are painting a very different picture, one showing that Russia simply did not see this attack coming. For months, Ukraine has been quietly expanding its long-range drone production, shifting from dozens of small kamikaze craft to hundreds of autonomous systems capable of flying more than 800 kilometers. These drones, many of them modified with composite frames and low radar signatures, were designed specifically to slip past Russia's sprawling S-300 and S-400 networks. And during the early hours of the morning, when temperatures dropped and radar efficiency weakened, Ukraine executed what military planners are calling a synchronized swarm assault, aimed directly at the symbolic core of Russian power Moscow. Residents across the capital reported hearing what sounded like a wave of buzzing engines piercing the night sky, followed by bursts of anti-aircraft fire that lit up the city. Videos showed tracer rounds arcing upward as Russian air defense crews scrambled to understand where the drones were coming from. At least a dozen explosions were seen near industrial zones around the city, while additional strikes hit fuel depots, military warehouses, and communications hubs hundreds of kilometers apart. Russia initially claimed it intercepted almost all of the drones, but leaked air defense logs reviewed by Western intelligence sources indicate widespread confusion, miscommunication, and equipment overloads. The attack wasn't just about hitting targets. It was about exposing weaknesses. Ukraine's drones approached Moscow from multiple angles northeast, south, and even from the direction of the Caspian region, forcing Russian defenses to spread thin. Some drones flew low over forest lines, others climbed to medium altitude, and several switched transponders on and off to create fake signatures. This multi-layered diversion strategy appears to have overwhelmed the command systems that are supposed to protect the capital of a nuclear superpower. What truly shocked analysts was how deeply the drones managed to penetrate before being detected. Many traveled more than 600 kilometers inside Russian territory with minimal interception attempts. Radar footage captured by civilian air traffic monitors shows several drones passing dangerously close to major airports before Russia shut down airspace around the capital. Flights were diverted, emergency alarms were triggered, and military helicopters scrambled across the region in what appeared to be an improvised pursuit operation. Inside the Kremlin, sources reported a brief period of panic as senior officials realized the scale of the breach. The Russian Ministry of Defense was forced to hold emergency briefings throughout the night, while commanders reportedly ordered additional Patriot-like Pantsir batteries to be moved closer to the capital. Civilians in Moscow described the scene as the most chaotic night since the start of the war. Sirens blaring, windows shaking, and security forces rushing through the streets. Ukraine has not officially confirmed the operation, but senior officials hinted that the attack was aimed at dismantling Russia's sense of invulnerability. For months, Moscow believed that distance and air defense density would protect its major cities from Ukrainian retaliation. But this massive drone swarm has demonstrated that Kyiv's capabilities have evolved far faster than Russian planners anticipated. International reaction has been swift. Military analysts across Europe are calling this a turning point in modern warfare, the first time a country under invasion has managed to launch a coordinated drone swarm that penetrated the interior defenses of a superpower's capital. NATO officials monitoring the situation say the attack shows how traditional systems built for large aircraft struggle against cheap, fast-produced drones flying in large numbers. Russia now faces difficult questions. How did hundreds of Ukrainian drones slip through multiple layers of expensive air defense systems? Why were radars unable to track low signatures targets? And perhaps most importantly, how will Moscow respond to an attack that demonstrates its vulnerability before the entire world? Tonight, the Kremlin is tightening its security, deploying additional air defense systems and launching counter-drone patrols across multiple regions. But the message Ukraine sent is unmistakable: distance no longer guarantees safety. And the era of drone warfare is reshaping the battlefield faster than anyone expected. This unprecedented breach will be remembered not only for its scale, but for the revelation it delivered. Even Moscow, the heart of Russian power, is no longer out of reach. And as both sides push their technology to new limits, the conflict is entering a dangerous new phase where skies are no longer controlled by jets and missiles, but by swarms of silent, low-flying machines redefining the future of war. Stay tuned as we continue to analyze the aftermath, the strategic impact, and the global reactions to Ukraine's largest drone strike yet. This is the Military Matrix, and we'll keep bringing you the latest developments from the front lines of modern warfare.